park in Florida.
Our first time on the road, and after bringing in everything we needed for the next few days, little by little we were getting used to the sounds of the band on the road. Driving to Tampa would take us about 10 hours total, but because we have our bed ready to go, we thought this was the perfect excuse to divide the drive right in the middle. And since we're newbies to van life and we don't have our window covers yet, we thought that a camping spot would be the best. We made it to the state park. Aidan is taking a picture of the map so we can see where we're gonna sleep today. Ah! How was it?
Huh? Good.
¿Cómo habla cuando está acostado?
Hola.
Como amigo sincero.
That night, we got ourselves a cheap white wine to celebrate and watch our TV show.
I got Bucky salad. Estoy viendo té abajo.
¿Quién necesita más? El reality chileno.
Deberá enfrentar a una de las últimas competencias individuales.
Morning.
We went for a little walk to explore and find some birds. We saw two beautiful bald eagles, a red-headed woodpecker, and a downy woodpecker, the smallest of his kind. Cuéntanos de nuestro desayuno, because we don't have a kitchen yet.
We have cantaloupe. We have a hard-boiled egg. And we've got some potato hash.
After a successful first night, it was time to get back on the road. Adios, first campground ever. Adios. Here are the bathrooms. And here's the trash. Oh, that's the dump station. That's pretty cool. That was state park number 1
First state park.
ever.
Three rivers.
Now we are making our way to Tampa. Aidan's mom and the rest of the family, and we're gonna go to the Reggae Fest. So we are so excited. And the first night was pretty good. We got a little cold in the beginning, but we had the fans on, and yeah, pretty comfy and pretty silent too. Por fin, llegando. Finally.
To our destination. We get some Peruvian food.
Gonna get some Peruvian food.
With a full belly and after a competitive night of Rumikube, we got some rest and prepared for the Reggae Fest the next day. Taking place in downtown St. Petersburg, we came to this fest to see some of our favorite reggae bands for the first time. Fortunate Youth, Iration, and Slightly Stupid. This last one comes right from Ocean Beach in San Diego, so we obviously love them. Enjoy the rest of the weekend with family and prepare for our next spot, the Florida Caverns State Park.
We are back in the road, and now we are on our way to Florida Caverns State Park. We have a little bit of rain, but we're pretty excited. We had a great weekend, so we're excited about the next place. And we heard that the temperature is gonna go down quite a bit, so it's gonna be pretty interesting to experience van life during a little bit of cold. So that's good. We're testing every weather in the van, so wish us luck.
First, a quick stop for supplies.
For groceries,
Snacks, bread, coffee for tomorrow, watermelon for breakfast, yogurt for breakfast, salads for dinner, cheese for the bread, high noon to celebrate tonight. Maybe we'll drink just one, not two, but who knows. Tomatoes for the bread. And now we are officially ready to go to our campsite. This is where we stay.
I'm recording.
You're recording?
I didn't mean to. They're so cute.
Okay, well. We decided to come on inside
Obviously,
because it was windy outside.
we need to organize.
But it's warmer in here.
This is motivation to get a heater, get someplace to sit.
Or maybe just a couple blankets. A couple more blankets. I'm a blanket lover.
The reason why we wanted to come to this state park was to visit their caverns. We never thought we could find something like this so close to the interstate. We paid $35 for parking and tickets for the tour, and with a little group we ventured underground. Once we were underground, our tour guide made sure none of us would feel claustrophobic and let us know that touching any formations wasn't allowed. Our tour guide told us about some very interesting facts. Can you believe some people get married here? That one was supposed to be the cake formation. He also told us that the miners here came up with the idea of leaving the footballs they used to stick into the top of the cave to reflect and create more light.
Argentina, Peru, Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. I've had people from about all those countries.
I'm from Chile.
Chile, you'd make. Actually, no, you'd make the first.
For real? I'm the first Chilean in these caves.
After finding a hidden little bed, we got to see the only formation that was possible to touch.
Ooh, it's wet. Chiquillos, we don't want to go back home, but we had a great time and the caves were awesome. And if anything, we are really excited to finish this band because it truly, like, we are really missing our refrigerator, a sink, and once that's done, I think everything's gonna be much easier, and the toilet, obviously. So yeah. Chiquillos, change of plans. We were so sad to go back home that we're gonna do a little detour and we're gonna go to the beach just for lunch, but yeah, we're really happy. We're gonna go to Juan's Flying Burrito at Pensacola, which is one of our favorite Mexican spots. So credits to Aidan that came out with the idea. It was amazing to have the chance to do multiple things during this weekend. Things that we plan to do when we live in the van. Going to see live music shows, visit family and friends, and more than anything, spend time in nature. Thank you for being here and following along. We'll see you in the next video.